What's up? Welcome to the video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to do an in-camera seamless quick whip pan transition. So let's jump right in. First up, what do we need to shoot? Of course, we're going to have two scenes that we need to transition. So shoot whatever you want in your first scene and shoot whatever you want in your second scene. But the important thing is, of course, at the end of the first scene and the beginning of the second scene. So in the first scene, act out whatever you want and end off the shot with a quick pan of the camera to right or left or up or down, whatever direction it is that you want your transition to be. So either pan left or right or tilt up and down. The important thing is that in the second scene, you're gonna have to start the motion the exact same direction that you ended it in the first scene. So in our example, let's quickly pan to the right, which means that in the second scene, before we start our acting out, we're gonna have to start left and then quickly pan to the right to start the scene. As you can see, if we stop the motion right in the pan, we can see everything is blurred. That is, of course, if you have followed the 180-degree shutter rule, which is really important for this effect. So this basically means putting your shutter speed double the amount of the frame rate you're shooting in. Otherwise, maybe your pan isn't motion blurred enough for a seamless transition, or you just basically have too much motion blur. So remember to set your shutter speed double the amount of the frame rate you're shooting, or if you have a professional video camcorder, then of course just use the 180-degree setting. Now we're gonna load both of those clips into our timeline in the editing software of our choice. This can really be any software. In my case, it's Final Cut, but you could use Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci, probably even Windows Movie Maker or iMovie, if that's still supported. Now go to your first clip and play it back until you start the motion, and right in between the motion, when everything is blurred, do a cut. Then go to your second clip, start it, and make a cut right when it starts to get blurry and the scene is starting. Now we can put both of those clips together and should already have a very good transition. If it's not perfect already, or just to make it a little bit better, you could also add a crossfade in between the two clips, which just makes the transition even smoother. And now once we play it back, you can see we have a seamless quick whip pan transition all done in camera. That's it from this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button and also consider subscribing right here for more videos just like this one. You can find more videos right here, and I will hopefully see you in the next one. Goodbye.